Hey everyone, Wright here, and welcome back to the channel. It's so good to be here with you again. It's been a little while since my last upload. I did have some health challenges, and I've been extremely focused on finishing new books. Behind the scenes, it's been really full on. So I needed to take a little bit of a step back for clarity and focus. The effort has paid off. And now the results are well worth it, and I'm so happy to share with you the new stuff that I've been working on. I've been super busy with some really cool new projects. I've made major progress on volume 3 of my book series, which explores the Großer Hund models in incredible detail. It features all 8 variants, land, moon, and space, each with its own unique backstory. If you're into technical builds or lore-rich content, this is going to be something special. Finally, I've launched kits in my store, something you've been asking for a long time. And in subsequent videos, I'll be sharing my build-ups of them with tips and insights to help you with your versions of building those same kits. This channel has always been about sharing the best sci-fi scale modeling content. Now we're going to take it to the next level. Starting now, you can expect weekly uploads packed with builds, tips, and behind-the-scenes peeks into my creative process. Plus, I'll be sharing kit reviews, tutorials, and exclusive content to help you get the most out of your own modeling projects. I'm also streamlining updates across YouTube, Instagram, and Patreon, so no matter where you follow me, you'll stay in the loop. And for those of you supporting me on Patreon, there's even more exclusive content coming your way. Thank you for helping me make all this possible. So now if you're not already subscribed, now is the perfect time to mash that button and turn on notifications. And if you'd like to grab some amazing books, digital mooks or kits, or just support the channel, head over to my store or Patreon. Every purchase and membership helps me keep creating and sharing the content we all love. Thank you for all the support and patience during this time. It truly means the world to me. I'm really excited to have you together with me on this next chapter for making some really cool stuff. So let's get to building, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.